Okay. Um, so see here, in interview point of view only, they will just going to ask you how these configurations are done and what are the activities that are faced by the FI consultant and what are the activities that are faced by the consultant and ST consultant. See, no one will going to ask you about the configurations and ST configurations. So the place, in which the SAP FICO consultants will be involved. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have. And you don't worry, all of you will also get the job. Okay. See, Madhu has got the job in Fossil a company. That is Fossil Groups and all, and that is their client only. That is Fossil clients only. Okay, so that is the another aspect to, and also they have asked different types of questions on the integration. Okay, so that is why you need to learn purchase information flow, and you need to learn about the uh, what we can say purchase orders and sales orders and on. See, that is not your configurations, but see, whenever you are posting the invoices and on, okay, you need to have configurations. Okay, the configurations like fiscal year variance, posting periods variance, you need to allow those things. Okay, otherwise, no one will ask you about the configurations, SD configurations, and on. Okay, so try to understand the pointer. Can you open the document? Give me 1 second. Huh. What we can say, so we have to create the customer master record using transaction code XD01. So in ACC it's XD01. Now it's in SAP for HANA it's BP. So do we have any customers, ma'am? If you have customers, open that then, no issue. Go to the transaction code BP and find with the organizations or groups and business partner, supplier number, give your company code. Okay, and click on the enter, start. Double click on this thing now. Okay, all of you, see, I think so we have different types of things like the thing is that when it comes to the sales organizations and all, you need to have the business partner sales organization. Okay, so how we can able to configure, so you know it very well. So the thing is that go to the display in BP role now, in that go to the supply documents, no, sales organizations and all. Give the company code and take out any customer and go to the start and double click on this thing and continue. So go to the display in BP role now and just give the sales organization details. FLVN01. Go to the edit option. FLCU01. This is the customer only. Okay, we have the customer, and the next one is sales and distribution data. Go to the sales and distribution data. So in that sales and distribution data, so we have to assign the sales organization. Okay, try to assign the sales organization now. Assign the divisions. and we need to assign the customer pricing procedure. Can you come down now? So here you will going to assign the customer pricing procedure as a one. Mm. Can you come down? Here there will be a customer pricing procedure. Okay, can you just give the customer pricing procedure as a standard one? One, take out the one. Okay, I think so. Document index active is over, and relevant for agents business is. I mean, we no need to take anything. Okay, go to that shipping mem. So try to give the delivery priority and shipping conditions and delivery plans and all. So delivery priority will be, open that thing, ma'am. You have to take out the normal. So when it comes to the standard orders and all, see why we are taking the normal. Okay, all of you, why we are taking, why means, see here, you are mentioning the condition records in particular purchase informations, things and all. Okay, when you are mentioning all these things and that is completely assigned to the particular sales accounts and all or anything, okay, then what will happen, all of you? So if you want to change the delivery date, okay, in sale, sorry, post quotes issues and all, we can able to change with the delivery priority. Okay, so that is why we are just taking the normal delivery priority as a, and take out the delivery plan. And do we have any shipping conditions? Take out the shipping conditions, man. Take out the standard one, no issue. Then next, go to the billing document. No? So in the billing document, what we can do? So we can just give the Incoterms as insurance freight free. Sorry, cost insurance freight. CIF. And can you give the description for this Incoterms also? Incoterms. And if you want to add the payments, like terms of payments and all, you can just give the terms of payments also. That is 0001. And the next one is account assignment group. Domestic revenues. Can you come down now? So in the tax, we are not just adding anything. Okay, so for the India, so it is a zero tax exemption calculations. Okay, see that is another thing. So when it comes to the condition types and all, we can able to add it. I think so. I have added the videos in your mail. Try to check with that. The next one is partner functions. Go to the partner functions one. Okay, so you can able to see all of you. So for this accounting group, we have added ship to party, bill to party, and sold to party, and the next one is payer. Okay, so see all of you, I'm having the requirement. Okay, one person has ordered the goods. When the one person has ordered the goods, okay, so ship to party will be the different thing, and bill to party will be the different thing. Then what you will do, all of you? This is scenarios only. See, I have ordered one thing, one goods, that is AC, air conditioner, okay, from Amazon, and I am changing the billing address to the different different address, okay, for some people. Okay, so now I'm changing the address, I mean billing address, to the Radhika ma'am address. Okay, I'm changing the billing pay to the Deepamam address. Okay, so whatever the bill that I have that is going to the Deepamam, whatever the billing address that we have that is going to the Radhika address. Okay, so in which data we will going to configure, or else in which data, I mean in which master data we will going to change something. Okay, when it comes to the business partners, we will have sales and distributions. Under the sales and distributions you have partner functions, and all in that partner functions you can able to change as you want. Okay, all of you, see, Amazon accounts will be used by different types of people. Okay, one user has purchased this thing, I mean the subscriptions and all, and different types of peoples are using their subscriptions. Okay, and they are using their addresses and all. Okay, so see here, sold to party, sorry, ship to party is different thing, bill to party is different thing, sold to party is different thing, and payer is different thing. You are ordering the things from one person subscription account. Okay, and you are adding the different types of address. When you are adding the different types of address, you need to change the ship to party address, right? If you are a person who will going to pay the bill to the particular Amazon delivery boys and Flipkart delivery boys and all, so on that thing, bill to party is different. Okay, all of you try to remember the point, and if they ask anything, so just try to give the overview of this partner functions and all. They will not going to ask you, that is not the FI activity. Okay, go to the save button and save with me. Okay, so we have done with the customers and all. Can you give slash and ma'am? And what the next point? So we will going to try to create the material. Okay, sorry, creation of condition records. So do we have material on this thing, ma'am? Master records. If you have material, don't worry.
Yes, we can.
You okay, right? Um, go to the MM02 transaction code. No? Go to the MM02 transaction code. I'm just showing you the material things and all. I think so. You have already seen all these things in ECC and all. No need to, I mean, create any materials and all. Once again, see all the configurations are same. Okay, so don't waste your time and all. Just focus on the subjects. Okay, take out any material, ma'am. Click on the enter. Give the plant and storage location. See, if the material doesn't exist, that means what, all of you, either you haven't given correct plant and the valuation classes or storage locations and or sales organizations and all. So still now, if you are facing the errors and all, then what we will do is when it comes to the material extension things and all, you need to have one important thing. Okay, so that is price determinations. Okay, price determination should be activated in the material management ledgers. Okay, OMX1 transaction code, and go to the accounting tab 1, ma'am. Go to the accounting tab 1. See, basically when it comes to the I mean yesterday error, that is Deepa ma'am has got the one error. So that is material ledger activation has not been done for the particular material, and that is not there in the plant. Okay, so before you create anything, all of you, for that particular materials and all, and for the particular plans and all, you have to activate the price determination. Okay, don't, I mean, before you do all these things, you have to activate all these things. See, after the creation of material things and all, material ledger should not be activated. Okay, I mean, that will not be activated without the help of price determinations and all. first you should complete the price determinations things. So that is why I have already told you about the OMX1, OMX2, OMX3 things and all. Okay, so try to do the things and set productive details to the particular plans. Okay, so then only master records ledgers will be activated and price determination will be coming into the picture. Okay, so don't ever try to do all these things. I mean, why? Because I'm without completion of the OMX1, OMX2, OMX3 in SAP S for HANA, all these things are mandatory. So try to remember the point of it. Okay, I unite variable. So valuation classes and divisions and base units and price determinations are there, and material ledger is in an active position. So try to remember the point. Okay, right. So we have the material that is 5200 and 57. Okay, good. So give slash in. Go to that Word document and creation of condition records. Okay, do we have any condition records? Go to the transaction code week 11, and if you have condition records, you can just try to open that condition records. So give condition type PR00. Material release with the status. Do you have any condition records, ma'am? Have you opened the condition records?
Yes, I've opened.
Okay, so what is the condition record that you have?
PR00 only one.
No, no, ma'am. So there will be some a number will be there. So what is the condition record? Have you remembered the condition record?
No.
No, huh? What we will do is, ma'am, you do one thing, ma'am. Take out that material 5200 537 or 237. Now paste it here, ma'am. Can you just give the amount, ma'am? 20,000 rupees or anything? Give the amount as 20,000 rupees. Click on the enter. Okay, and we do have all these records, and the next one is we have per quantity and amount, and we have unit prices, that is INRs and all, and valid from it variable. So that is the most important thing right now we have, and condition records will be saved. Okay, for the particular distribution channel VB and sales organization is VLB0. Okay, so go to the save button and save it. Can you come down? See, this condition record has been saved. Okay, so that is the important thing right now we have when it comes to the condition records and all. Just see why I am recording all these conditions based on the materials and on. Whenever you want to sell the goods to the particular customers and on, based on the condition records only, you can able to sell the goods to the particular customer. Okay, so why? Because they will estimate the currency, they will estimate the valid from dates and on. Okay, you will going to know the different types of points when it comes to the condition records. Okay, and also whenever you are selling the goods to the particular customer, okay, based on the condition records only, so the system will going to understand that okay, this condition record has been done with this material and we can able to sell the goods to the customers. Okay, okay, then next condition records are over, and the next thing is creation of purchase information records. Can you go to the creation of purchase information records? Go to the transaction code ME11 now and just try to give the things. And we have a vendor on this material. We can able to see we are producing the raw materials. Sorry, we are producing the finished goods based on which materials? Based on the raw materials only, right? On that thing, you can able to have vendor. And with the help of finished goods, we can able to do the things and give the purchase organization. So do we have any records? Click on the enter. If you have records, don't worry. So entry once, give the plant mom. Okay, so purchase information records are already maintained, all of you. Okay, so I think so, no need to worry. uh, I mean, we do have purchase information flow. I mean, stock information flow is already existed. No need to worry. So just click on the enter, and whatever the standard records that you want to have and the price that you want to have, and you can able to do it. So after the completion of the all this purchase information record only, we can able to sell the prices. Okay. Uh, then what is the next thing? The next one is purchase information records. Ma'am, can you go to the what we can say here? Creation of purchase order, okay, and goods receipt and invoice receipt. Okay, ma'am, do we have stock balances for this thing? I mean, on this material, so we have stocks, right? Go to the MMBE
Yes.
transaction code. Okay. I mean, you no need to create any purchase orders or anything. Okay, all of you. I mean, if you have purchase information records, go to the continue option. We have 4 records. Okay, all of you. See, first you need to test with the material records like a ME21N. I mean, that is a creation of purchase orders. The next one is MIGO, and the next one is Beaver. So you have to stop with the, I mean, under this point only you have to stop. Okay, then you can able to do the sales testings and on. Okay, and if you get the price that you want, okay, suppose you have bought the raw material from the vendor with or else for 20,000 rupees, sorry, 25,000 rupees, and you have to sell these goods to the particular customer for 30,000 rupees or 35,000 rupees or 26,000 rupees, anything. Okay, you have to I mean, make some profit, right? So when you make some profit, automatically what will happen, all of you? So the stocks will be decreased, and whatever the price that you want, automatically it will come from the customers and all. Then with the help of that amount only, you can able to clear the due amount to the vendors. You got my point? So based on the purchase information flow, stock overview, and price overviews and all, we can able to do the testing scenarios. Okay, so that is the most important thing right now we have. And when it comes to the purchase orders, goods receipt and invoice receipt, and you need to understand the things. I think so you have seen all these things in SAP as for HANA right? Purchase order creation, Miro, and also you have seen all these things in ACC. Now what we will do, and we can able to test the sales order information things. Okay, give slash none and go to that Word document. Same thing, right? So I think so. Creation of purchase orders, I think we have done. I mean, Deepam has done with the purchase information, purchase order. So Deepam has raised the purchase order and raised the goods receipt and invoice receipt and all. And we have checked with the balances, stock information balance, that is MMPE. And we need to create the sales orders using transaction code. Okay, VA01. So before you do all these things, check document pricing procedure, whether it is there in I mean standard orders, okay, and also OR, that is order type is OR using transaction code Vivo V8. Why I mean why we have written all these things, all of you? Why? Because we have faced one error, right? Okay, so in that go to the transaction code V0 or else Vivo V8. Just try to check with the things, all of you. So before you raise any sales orders and all, I mean standard sales order, that is a standard sales order uh, type is OR. Click on the interval, double click on this standard order. All of you just try to remember the point that here document pricing procedure should be matched with the condition records. Okay, so what is the document pricing procedure, ma'am? Open this thing. Standard. Okay, remove this thing. And what is the, go to the document, give /n and go to this document. So go to the transaction code OVKK. That we can call it as a customer master record, OVKK. V for volleyball. Go to the position now and give your sales organization, and pricing procedures will be there. See all of you, what is the document pricing procedure that we have? A. Okay, so that should be matched with the Vivo V8. Okay, so try to remember the point. Give /. And if you are facing any error, just go to that things and all and just try to change each and every point. And then next one. So what is the next thing now? So creation of sales orders using transaction code VA0. Go to the transaction code VA01 and try to create the sales order. Order type is OR. Do you have any sales group, sales office or anything? So if you have, you can just give it. Just give your sold to party, ship to party. Anything you can just give it. And then next one is required delivery date is over. And then next one is you can just give the delivery plant also. Delivery plant also. And no need to give any pricing procedures and all. And see all of you here, I want to just I will have your attention on the delivery block. Can you open the delivery block, ma'am? See, delivery, you can able to deliver the some of the blocks, okay, based on which things and all. So missing credit limit, okay, no export documents, okay, no printings, and change in quantity. If they have change in quantities and all, okay, so delivery will be in a blocked position. Okay, so now it's in a free mode. Okay, why? Because we are delivering the goods. No need to worry. Okay, then next one. If you have payment terms and all, you can just give it. 0001 is the payment terms, and if you have Incoterms and all, you can just give it Incoterms, and you can just give the Incoterms. I mean description also. Okay. So the next one is material things. You can just give the material, ma'am. Whatever the material that you have, just paste it here. And you can just give the order quantity, ma'am, as one. And you can just give the description. No need to give any descriptions. I think so. When it comes to the materials and all, we do have things. Okay, no need to give anything. I think so. Click on the enter, ma'am. Uh, Condition type is PR00, and the amount we have entered is 50,000. And then next one is okay. Overall status is open, all of you. Okay, so try to remember the point when it comes to the go to the item overview and item details. See, all of you, I just want to tell you one thing. If the delivery is in a blocked position, you need to check with the item detail with the shippings. Okay, so when it comes to the item details, go to the item details, ma'am. In the item details, you have to have order quantity. Okay, and the next one is, ma'am, here I will going to send you one important error. So which was asked by the PwC. I will just send you that error. Give me 1 second. Huh. This one. All of you, please try to remember the pointer. So I think so. I have sent you that error. Please try to download the thing. Ma'am, share your screen. Deepa ma'am left. All of you, please try to download this video. Okay, why? Because in the item category, based on the item category, so delivery will not be done. Okay, so if you have correct item category, delivery will be done. Okay, I think so. One of our video based learner has got this error. Okay, try to remember the point.
Screen కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది. Okay, right. Go to the transaction code VE01 and just give the order type now and sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, and sales group. Click on enter and give the sold to party. Give the ship to party. Okay, give the delivery date. Payment terms. And the next one is Incoterms. Give the Incoterms description also, and give the material, and give the order quantity, and click on the enter. Okay, continue. No issue. Okay, drag it to the right side now. So do we have all these things? Okay, good. Okay, can you go to the save button now? No need to give anything. All of you, one more important thing that we have here is when it comes to the delivering priority. Okay, and go to the sales, ma'am. Go to the sales. See here, item overview. Uh, uh, no, shipping. Okay, and plant is okay. Storage location is okay. Okay, so I will just give you the one more important thing right now. We have all of you. So drag it to the left side, ma'am. Go to the sales tab. And drag it to the right side, ma'am. All of you just try to remember the point. There is an item category. In that item category, we do have standard items. We do have TAAs. Okay, select this thing now. Go to that drop down option. Here, all of you have to take out the standard item. Okay, I think I have shared you the one error video. Please try to remember the point. That is, I think so. He has raised the sales orders with third party person. Okay, why? Because see, if you mention the third party, that is bill to party or ship to party, in your master records, customer master records only, then only you have to give the third party persons. Try to remember the point. Okay, so remove this thing, go to the save button and save it. Go up and we will going to create one sales order. Okay, all of you. So can you come down now? This sales order has been created, that is 4899. take out that sales order, man. That is standard sales order. Go to that Word document and try to give the uh, sales order things. Go up and remove this sales order. Give the sales order 4899. Then next one. So we have checked with all these things, all of you, and there is no any errors regarding with this thing and all. And delivery of the goods using transaction code VL01N. Go to the transaction code VL01N. What is the delivery date that you have? Selection date is, I think so, 17, right? Required delivery date. Ma'am, what is the sales order required delivery date that you have right now? I think so. 02. Okay. Now you can just give the shipping point. No need to worry. I think so. 17 is the required delivery date, right? We will do it. No worries. Take out your shipping point. And click on the enter, ma'am. We will see it. Okay. No schedule lines. Come back, ma'am. Change the selective delivery date. That is 17.04.2023. Click on the enter, ma'am. Now. Okay. Now you got the thing, right? Okay, delivery quantity is okay, and take out the picked quantity, ma'am. And delivery quantity and picked quantity should be in a same mode. Okay, give the picked quantity. Click on the enter, ma'am. Okay, go up and go to the post goods receipt. The storage location is not defined in delivery item. Okay, come back, ma'am. One step back. Drag it to the right side, ma'am. I think so. Storage location is not there. Gross weight is okay. Drag it to the right side. Give the storage location now here. Click on the enter and go to the post goods receipt. Okay, and drag it to the downside and take out that one 4132. Sorry, B8004132. Go to that Word document. Change this thing 8004132. Delivery of the posting goods issue 8000. Remove this thing 4132. 4132, not 1432, 4132. Okay, the next one. So document. So using this document, all of you, and we will just do the billing. Okay, using transaction code. Click on the enter, ma'am. Enter. Okay. So 7th point will be billing document, and the 8th point will be incoming payments, and 9th point will be display delivery document using transaction code VL03N. Okay, if you want to see the details and all using transaction code VL03N, you can do it. And if you want to make some changes, you can use the transaction code VL02N, or else you do one thing, ma'am. So change the post goods issue using transaction code. Try to write down this point also. No, under the delivery of the goods, that is post goods issue. So change the post goods issue using transaction code. Change the post goods issue using transaction code VL02N. Okay, and remove this 9th point, ma'am. VL total 9th point. Under this 7th point only, and this display of the post goods issue using transaction code VL03N. Display post goods issue using transaction code VL03N. Okay, all of you. So the next one is we have billing document. Okay, VF01. Go to the transaction code of VF01, ma'am. Try to give the document. Okay, and billing type is okay, and click on the enter, ma'am. Sure. Enter. Okay, everything is correct, right? And go up, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. Down. Enter. Okay, so this document has been saved, and why the no journal entry is generated? Take out that document now. Go up, ma'am. Give slash n. What we will do is take out the VF02. Go to the environment, ma'am, or else release this document. Come now. Enter. Tax code A9 in procedure H. Okay, what we will do is give slash n. Go to the transaction code OBBZ. Change your tax procedure. So that is why we are not getting that. So if the accounting journal entries are not generated, try to check with the change of the billing document VF02. Okay, give slash n, ma'am, and go to the transaction code VF02 once again. Go to the release document. Click on the enter. And if we face any errors, automatically we will going to see it. Click on the enter now. So document has been released. Okay, 9000427 Okay, try to give the document in the Word document now. 9000427 Okay, good. So the next one is we have to check with the what we can say. Go to the transaction code VF01, ma'am. Once again, sorry, VF02. Here VF02. Here check the document flow. Display document flow. So it is not at all cleared, all of you. Okay, so if you want to see the entries, you can able to see it. Go to the transaction code F-28, ma'am. Give slash n and go to the transaction code F-28. Or else you do one thing, ma'am. Remove this thing. Go to the transaction code FBL5N and try to check with the customer master records. I mean line item display. Okay, 59,000 is there, right? Okay, good. So give slash n and go to the F-28 transaction code and try to clear the things. Okay, this document has been cleared, all of you, and try check with the VF02 once again, no? And document flow VF02. Okay, go to the document flow and on. So it has been cleared. Okay, right, all of you. So give /num and go to the transaction code MMP. Check the stock information flow. Give the plant and try to execute it. Execute. Can you come down? The material doesn't give the material also. So the stock has been decreased, right, all of you, to the 3. Earlier it was in 4 position, right? Okay. So this is about complete configurations of the FI2SD integrations in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, if you face anything, and I think so, I have sent you one error in SAP S4 HANA also. That is item category errors. Okay, so try to remember the point, all of you. And tomorrow I will going to start the asset account. Okay, I will going to stop this recording.